Attraction isn't about playing games or trying to be someone you're not. It's about embracing your unique energy and creating a magnetic pull. In today's video, we're diving into how to make him chase you, using the secrets of genuine attraction. Ready to unlock the magic? Let's go. 1. Confidence is key. Confidence is incredibly attractive. When you know your worth, it shines through in everything you do. Men are drawn to women who are self-assured and comfortable in their own skin. 2. Maintain your independence. Having your own life is crucial. When you're independent and have your own passions, it shows him that you're not relying on him for your happiness, and that's irresistible. 3. Be mysterious. Don't reveal everything about yourself at once. Leave some things for him to discover over time. A little mystery keeps him intrigued and eager to know more. 4. Show appreciation, but don't overdo it. Appreciate his efforts, but don't shower him with excessive compliments. A balanced approach makes your appreciation feel genuine and encourages him to keep trying to impress you. 5. Set boundaries. Boundaries show self-respect. When you have clear limits and stick to them, you demonstrate that you value yourself, and that makes him value you more. 6. Keep a positive energy. People are naturally drawn to positivity. When you radiate good vibes, he'll associate being around you with happiness and joy. That emotional connection is powerful. 7. Let him take the lead. Sometimes, letting him take the initiative makes him feel more invested. It shows you value his effort and allows him to step into a leadership role, which many men enjoy. 8. Be playful and fun. A playful attitude makes interactions exciting. Flirting, teasing, and sharing fun moments create a strong emotional bond and keep the relationship light and enjoyable. 9. Take care of yourself. Investing in your physical and emotional well-being not only boosts your confidence, but also makes you more attractive. When you prioritize yourself, it inspires him to prioritize you too. 10. Be authentic. Above all, be real. Pretending to be someone you're not will only lead to superficial connections. Authenticity creates deep attraction because it's rooted in genuine connection. 11. Create emotional connection. Emotional intimacy is a game changer. Show genuine interest in his thoughts and feelings, and let him see that you value meaningful conversations. This creates a bond that goes beyond surface-level attraction. 12. Be supportive, but not overbearing. Support his goals and dreams, but avoid being overly involved or controlling. When you show that you're in his corner while respecting his independence, it deepens his admiration for you. 13. Show your sense of humor. Laughter is one of the quickest ways to connect with someone. Sharing jokes, playful banter, or just enjoying funny moments together creates a relaxed and joyful atmosphere that he'll want to keep coming back to. Attraction is about more than just looks. It's about the energy you bring and the way you value yourself. By embracing these tips, you can create a dynamic that makes him naturally want to chase you. What are your thoughts on these secrets to attraction? Share them in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more relationship advice. Thanks for watching.